Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. See you standing there in your Hulk outerwear. And all I can think is where is the ring? 'Cause I know you wanna ask. Scared the moment will pass. I can see it in your eyes. Just take me by surprise. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. But I want it to be out of the blue. So make sure I have no clue when you ask. Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Now we're having dinner. And baby, you're my winner. I see the way you smile. You're thinking about the aisle. You reach in your pocket. Emotions unlocking. And before you could ask, I answer.
กล้วยอบเนยโรยเกลือกล้วยอบเนยเลยกลัวกล้วยอบเนยโรยเกลือ
Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Now we're having dinner. And baby, you're my winner. I see the way you smile. You're thinking about the aisle. You reach in your pocket. Emotions unlocking. And before you could ask, I answer too fast. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. So now I can't stop thinking about you. I figured out all the clues. So now baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love